how to create a new Google Analytics 4 account when you already have a Universal Analytics account. That's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. And if you stay through to the end, I also show you how you can upload the GA4 code to your website using Google Tag Manager. This is really important to do now because Google recently announced that they're going to be retiring the old Universal Analytics accounts by 2023. So you need to create this GA4 account now so it can start gathering that data. So let's dive into an analytics account. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create it and install it. So here we are in a live Google Analytics account, but just the UA, the Universal Analytics. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a GA4 property. So we're going to go to the admin section. And what we have to do is we have to create a new property. All right, so when we go into our Universal Analytics account, we go create property here. And this is going to default to be a new Google Analytics 4 property. So we're going to give it a name. I'm going to put the time zone to be where I am located. So I am in Sydney, Australia. The currency will be Australian dollar. Okay, so if I just show you advanced options, this is to create a Universal Analytics property, which we already have, so we don't want to do that. So then we click Next. And then Google wants us a little bit of information, so we can say that we are in, this is law, it's a legal company, small, and increase my conversions measure, really just this, doesn't really matter. And then we click Create. And then we just have to set up a very basic data stream to start collecting the data. So obviously we want to create a web-based data stream. And this is where we're going to put in the website URL. And we're going to call our stream. Cool. And this default setting is fine. And we just click Create Stream. And then we have created the stream. So now we need to install this code on our website in order for the data to start being collected. Now we use Google Tag Manager to do this. You don't need to do Tag Manager. You could just get the code and install it directly in the back end of your website. But I'm going to show you how to use Google Tag Manager. I'm just going to copy this. And here I am in my Tag Manager account. So I want to create a new tag. And I'm going to call this GA4. All right, so we have a default tag of GA4. This is where we put in the measurement ID. That's great. And our trigger is going to be all pages. And we click Save. So now that we have created our tag, we need to publish our tag. So we hit Submit. Publish, continue, and we can go here, and this will have published our tag, which is great. And what we can do is we can double check that this has been done correctly by going to the website, just refreshing the page. So we've triggered an event. We go here, we can go to reports, and we can go to real time of our new, and you can see here it's picked up me. So there we go. We have now installed the GA4 code on our website using Google Tag Manager. If you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe and press that bell button so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.